In this video, we see how to use the SFC tool. The SFC/scannow command will scan all of the protected system files on your computer and replace any that are corrupt or missing. It may take some time to complete the scan, but it is a good way to ensure that your Windows installation is healthy. Now let me see how to use this command. First click Start and type cmd. And click Run as administrator. Now type the following command and enter. Type SFC/scannow. And press enter. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.